Good day, everyone, and thanks for joining us. You're in the charge. Tune into the market beast of dish. Fellow competitors speaking. Welcome back, TTCF Permabulls. Gather around, and hopefully you guys are doing well and no cleanage and no spillage going on over on your end there. The price is appearing to go in the direction that we were anticipating. So, loyal family, welcome back. If you're new here, we actually are going to show you something that may blow your mind. So let's get into some interesting analysis and dive right into zero fundamentals. Zero fundamentals here. Let's dive into the charts here, shall we? All right. So today's April the 19th, 2021, and the current price of TTCF is going to be $16.99. It's down approximately 9.1% for the day. Okay. Welcome back, everyone. ASMR, interesting analysis. Man, I hope the TTCF bulls are doing good. All right, so here's what we've been following. Super simple. That's it, just an ascending line, the red line where I wanted to enter the market, but obviously that didn't happen, so whatever. It's $22.50. The market is up against a lower high, which is super simple to see. Everyone wants to argue and say something about fundamentals and blah, blah, blah. The market made a high, and then it made a lower high. So this simply means that the sellers are trying to make a lower low. Where's the lower low? Well, the first area would be right here at approximately $15.59. We explained that on our last video. And speaking of the last video, here's the last video that we posted, April the 14th, 2021. TTCF stock may shock many investors, insinuating, and remember, there's the exclamations, guys. And if there's a question mark, that means I'm not sure. The exclamation, I'm like, oh yeah, it will likely happen. This isn't a video saying that the market is going to crash. This is a video showing that the market is trying to break below a financial support line. This is a weekly active candle. There's still 4 days and 5 hours to close on this candle. This market can explode within this candle, okay? So this is not a video saying it's time to get bearish. So if you're thinking of getting bearish, don't do that, okay? In fact, this is probably the time where you actually enter the market anticipating to move to the upside because, again, it's sitting on a financial support line. What does that mean? It's kind of like a landmine, right? You step on a landmine, it explodes. I guess that probably isn't the best analogy, but if you've been seeking financial support from somewhere and you're near that area, right, that support level, okay, so naturally what will happen is the financial support will step in again, okay, especially since this as is an active candle, it still has like 4 days and 5 hours to close. Yeah, of course, within the next 4 days, I mean, of course, it can push to the upside and get above the financial support line, which is currently at about $17.70. Approximately. Okay, so that's that. Have I entered the market to put my foot on this market neck? No, I haven't done that just yet, guys. I wanted to get that bounce. I think I already explained that. So just hang in there, TTCF bulls. I know your fundamentals are extravagant in earnings and all that other stuff you guys use, which there's nothing wrong with it. No defense, okay? For those of you who actually use that properly and don't insult other people for not using that, like myself, thank you. I appreciate that. But for those who do look to seek to insult others because they don't look at fundamentals, yeah, thumbs up to you there. All right, so let's see. Yeah, that's pretty much it, I guess. I'm still looking to play it to $8, okay? But we got to get a nice bounce first, preferably up to this red line, 2250, and of course maybe get rejected. And then have the catastrophic move to the downside, because that would actually make it 3 consecutive lower highs. So that's a trend, right? When you get the third consecutive lower high, that's definitely an insinuation. Wow, what's wrong with my mouse here? There's definitely an insinuation that the market is weak and it can no longer push to the upside. The market operators are losing control of the market, and it's likely that the market will at least test the lower level at about $15.70 or like $15.59 approximately. Okay, so let's let this play out. I'm pretty sure the buyers are stepping in right now relentlessly to explode the price or push it to the upside. And remember, this is not a bearish video, but TTCF is actually fractions away from getting a poop emoji. I'll tell you that much on the thumbnail. So stick around for that. If I can't enter on the 2250, I may have to just settle for a retest of the support line. But the only thing about that is I would have to rely on the daily candles, which I do not like doing. I don't like relying my market entry on the daily candle. So how that would look is, okay, this daily candle would close, and then we'll get some little flimsy, consolidating down here near the $17 level. and then there would be a retest of this support line. If it can break up, great. That means the buyers are control. But if it cannot get above it and it starts to find resistance and you're like the 1760, 1750, yeah, you know what happens next. To the downside, $8. Okay. So that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there if you enjoyed the content. And we got some interesting engagement on this video, man. That's the reason why I wanted to definitely, put it to the downside, because a lot of people were saying they're all in, saying if you're waiting for $8, you're waiting forever. It's like so interesting. I guess people don't think nonsense, nice voice, insulting. We got insulting compliments going on. Okay, so that's cool. Well, hopefully you guys are exercising risk management out there. You're definitely going to need it now, right? So also, before you go, if this wasn't like super offensive, we'd like to send you more information on the alternative markets. If you're into Bitcoin and altcoin. So subscribe with us, hit the bell, and we'll send you that information when it is available. So take care of yourselves, protect your portfolios, execute your strategies, okay? And be open to others saying that the market can go in a specific direction. And if it happens, great. If it doesn't, then you don't have to insult them saying that, they're weird and whatever. So that's it, guys. Take care, and we're going to talk soon. And bye for now.